simply keep a record of where the virus is in the image. If it's inside the image, it's essentially sort of frozen. But that's very risky, of course, since it could be accidentally extracted from the image in the future. I would strongly suggest testing for and removing viruses before you transfer files to a network. The basic workflow should be transfer to an unnetworked space, virus check, then move to a network. Other things you can do, although they aren't entirely necessary, are searching for personally identifying information, or PII. And I say they're not necessary, meaning they're necessary before you provide access, but they're not necessary as part of accessioning. There are tools that can allow you to automatically check for personally identifying information, which means social security numbers, credit card numbers, health information, things like that. The limit of automatically checking is that you can only search textual documents. So if you have scans of sensitive documents or PDFs without readable text, you would miss them using a method like that. You can also search for duplicate files by comparing checksums and other characteristics, and there are tools out there that help you do that as well. The last tool for control is metadata. With Born Digital Materials, we can create different kinds of metadata of differing complexities. The simplest kind would be just to do a media inventory, like the inventory we did in the appraisal step, as a type of control metadata. A bit more complex might include a file inventory of the contents of the accession that would record the file name, type, date created, and size of each object. This is sometimes called forensic metadata. A more complex option might be a tool to extract technical metadata in XML that would capture various kinds of technical and forensic details, as well as preservation specifics. There are metadata